I just got a new haircut. See how healthy my hair? Very shiny. I only have one secret for my hair. Sea salt and water. You mix the sea salt with water and then soak it in your hair 15 minutes to 20 minutes. After you rinse your hair, shampoo, and then conditioner. Okay. Fixie hairstyle. Low maintenance lang ako. Hindi ko kailangan ang mga mamahalin para pang beauty. Gumawa ngayon si God ng maraming herbs para gamitin mo. Mas healthy yun. Diba? Wala lang knowledge yung iba kung paano gagamitin. Diba? Okay. I got fish and chips. Hey, my husband bought me a fish and chips. And tar sauce. Masarap. Alam mo, kahit nandito ako sa Amerika, nakaupo pa rin ako minsan kumain sa sa sahig. Laging sinasabi ng asawa ko, hindi daw ako Americanized. Bakit ko ibahin ng ugali ko? Ito naman yung na lumaki talaga ako, diba? Yung mga habit natin nung araw, nandyan pa rin yan. Yummy, baby. So, ito yung fish and chips. What kind of fish is this? Mahi-mahi? Mahi-mahi? I believe it's mahi-mahi. Yeah. Very moisture inside. Isog kayo na si Bisla, pero may sa gawas. Walang ikog. Yummy. Okay. Later, I'm going out. Bye-bye, guys. Love you.